Welcome to the Phillip plan by Dryden Enterprise. So you enter the home, you have your living room, and it takes you into your separate dining area. Living room is very spacious and open. Then you have your kitchen with a eat-in area here. Tons of counter space. Your pantry and laundry room together. Have your two-car garage. Powder room. And upstairs you'll have all your bedrooms and a full bath. A separate little area over here. Your first bedroom, very spacious. Queen size bed could fit easily. Probably even get a king size bed in this room if you wanted to. Two closets. Have your full bath. Your next bedroom. And this room has a walk-in closet, but you can get a queen size in here with no problem. You have your pantry, your linen closet, another nice size bedroom. The nice size closet. Have a second linen closet. Then you have a huge primary bedroom. King size bed, plus space for a sitting area if you like. In your primary bath, you have double vanities, private room for your toilet, you have a shower and a separate tub, as well as a walk-in closet. This is the Phillip plan, I'm sorry, by Dryden Enterprises.